This is Harbor Street that we're on, and the parking lot that we're passing right now is beside the craft market. The craft market tour video that I did a few weeks ago will be in the description. The street that we're coming up on now is the end of Barnett Street, leading into Howard Cook Boulevard. The fire station is located on Howard Cook Boulevard, and I guess a part of it is on Barnett Street, you could say that. It's quite an impressive structure, and I guess you can say it's one of the largest fire stations in Jamaica. Howard Cook Boulevard takes you to Fairview at one end, and at the other end it takes you to Jamaica Cliff Boulevard, Top Road, and so on. Ground was broken for the facility in June 2019. This new fire station will replace the old Barnett Street facility that was demolished in 2006. The cost for the construction of Montego Bay's new fire station is $534.9 million, and it is being funded by Jamaica Social Investment Fund. It will be able to accommodate 200 firefighters. Okay, thank you very much for watching, my sunshines. Remember, if you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. See you next time.